Well, blessings, my friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. Okay, everyone, fall is like here, and so I want you all to help me to pick out which theme should I do for this fall. So let's start in this video. So we all have just went ballistic about these chargers. I really love these chargers because they do have an antique look. So this is the other charger that I have, and this is very beautiful, especially for the fall time. And this is the one that's black that we have been using in the last tutorial. So if you're new, let me just give you a little heads up. I do love everything to be vibrant for the holidays. So we have the eggplant and we also have the gold sequin, okay? So I do want to let you know if you're brand new here. Okay, so this is the charger, like I said before, we use in this tutorial. So let's just place that one to the side because I want to show you all using this charger, okay? So let's focus on this one. Now, I'm not worried about that sequin napkin right there, so we're not going to look at that. We're going to use the eggplant. Okay, so here's the technique. How do you all like that? Beautiful. I know that it's silver, but this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a brooch, which is gold, and we're going to place it on top, just like this. Watch this, you guys. It's going to be so beautiful. Just like that. Now, I'm going to stitch it on. I'm not going to hot glue it. You're going to remove these pins on the back, okay? Remove the pins, and I am not going to hot glue this at all, okay? I want to stitch it on, just customize it myself. And you can see that it has the rhinestone right there on the brooch, so they can match together perfectly. See that? So beautiful. Okay, so let me show you. I've already taken my pins off in the back, and if you've seen before, it was kind of bucked up, okay? So we've removed it completely off, okay? No bucks in the back. And it should just lie down flat, and you should be able to just stitch that in perfectly. I mean, look, it just fits on perfectly. And yes, we do have this in our store, but I just want to share this all with you, how beautiful this is. You can use any gold brooch, okay? So you can mix in silver and gold, okay? So just be honest with me and let me know down below, you guys. Let your girl know, because I'm gonna do something different this year. So let's move on to the flowers. You guys know I love the flowers, so let's dig right off into it. So I'm gonna give you a side view, like if you have a guest. Now remember that we can convert things, okay? With this channel, we love to convert. So this is how it will look if someone was sitting on the side of you. So let's take our flower. I do have a brooch right there in the flower, but guess what? Keep your brooches. Some of them, don't take out every single pin, okay? So we're just going to stick this inside. Make sure you're being very careful. Wait a minute, this is not, I don't like that right there, so we're gonna try it again. We do want it to, let me see, there we go. Okay, I think we got it, y'all. Just work with me, all right? There we go. Just make sure it's fluffed out real beautiful. There. Beautiful. I love to do things that stand, it has to stand out to me, and I love it when it's different. Just be authentic, be yourself. And I think this is very beautiful. And I also have the eggplant napkin beneath, and I also have, you just seen the brooch that I have on top of that. I think that is very beautiful. Just look deep off into your designs and catch those rhinestones, okay, to pop out those beautiful stones. This is what it looks like, everyone. Tell me what you think down below. And if you're not a flower person, that's what it looked like. Some people don't like flowers, but I do want to get that shot from you. So that's how it will look. Now for the next one, I want to do white this year, okay? So that's the one I'm looking at doing. You know, this fall color, I'm not too fond of. You know, this one here, we talked about this one last year, and I didn't do a tablescape. But I'm not too fond of it this year because it gives it more of like a, you know, give it more of like a dead look. And I want something that's going to bring everything to life. Okay, so if you all do vote, this is the wine glass I'm going to use. It do have the gold trim on there. That's very beautiful. I have used this one several times. You always know I have to do a cute little picture in there somewhere. And I do want to do the disposable, like flatware. I love to use those just in case we have guests that comes over. I'll make sure I have everything listed down below for you all. I got your back. Now, if you so happen to see this in a Dollar Tree, grab them because we're going to be doing a tutorial with this. They do come in black, and I did spray paint this gold, but don't worry about the gold one, okay? Because we're going to do a different technique with this. Okay, so I have added these beautiful chargers to our inventory, but now it's time for you to choose, okay? This is what we've done thus far, but this year I do want to go with this look. So you all just let me know down below what you think. Okay, everyone, you have a beautiful and blessed week, and I thank you all for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney. Have a blessed one. Bye-bye.